Did you know that, you? Why do our ears ring after loud noise? Hi, I'm Mio, and today we're going to discover why your ears sometimes ring after you hear something very loud. Maybe after a concert, a noisy party, or a loud machine, you notice a ringing or buzzing sound in your ears. So why does that happen? Inside your ears are tiny cells that react to sound vibrations. When the noise is too strong, those cells can become stressed or temporarily disturbed. Even after the loud sound stops, your hearing system may keep sending signals, and that creates the ringing or buzzing feeling. Sometimes it goes away quickly, but repeated exposure to loud sounds can be more serious over time. So that ringing in your ears is not just a weird sound. It can be your body's way of telling you that your ears have just been through too much. Tell me in the comments, and most of all, subscribe to support the channel because it would really make me happy. So, did you know that?